Hello everyone, this is Kamini trainer at VRAcademi, and today I'll be showing you how you can make your own shape and fill colors of your choice. For that I'll go to my toolbar. So if I go to my toolbar, here you will see there is a lot of shapes. Beside this shape tool there is an arrow key which you can make click and you can bring your shape tool out. Once you brought it out, place it on the location wherever you wish and then select the shape on which you want to work. So I'll be selecting a rectangle. Now I will draw a rectangle with the help of my left mouse button. I need to fill certain color. To fill certain color, you can either go to your toolbar. Below the toolbar, you have the option to fill your colors, or you can go to the tool property panel. So you have your fill color and the stroke color. So going towards the fill color, I'll select the colors of my choice. If I also want to change the stroke color, I'll come here and I'll select the stroke color. If you want to increase your stroke size, beside that you have the option where you can increase the value of the stroke, and as I increase that, you will see that the size of the stroke or the outline has increased. After that, in case if you wish to make your stroke in certain design formats, you can click on this option and select the design of stroke. You can select any design from here and get that style. Going further, if you don't want to work with this fill, you want to select certain pattern or maybe gradient, again you've got an option over here. You can select whatever color or whatever gradient you wish for. So you can either put a color or you can put your any styles. You can either select it from your fill panel, or you have a style option over here on the tool property. You can select any style of your choice and fill that style in the object. As you create any object, as you create any shape on your artboard, you will see that the layer has already created a layer. So in this, you don't have to create any layer right now because the Illustrator will automatically create the layer for you. I hope you got how to fill your color, how to fill your styles, how to design your outline. This is all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.